Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Vibes. Today I am going to show you how to install one of my favorite apps for movies and TV shows. It is absolutely free and it has everything you could possibly imagine. It is a very good tool to have, so stay with me. I am using an Amazon Fire Stick for this demonstration. You can also do this with any other Android streaming device. For example, the OnStreaming device from Walmart is a very good and affordable option. The 4K version is very reasonable and there are other versions even cheaper. I am on the Amazon Fire Stick 4K right now. This will work on almost any other Amazon Fire Stick model. Now all we are going to do is head over here to Settings. Scroll down to my Fire TV and open that up. What we are looking for is Developer Options. If you do not see Developer Options, go ahead and click About. Right here where it says Fire TV or whatever device you have, go ahead and click that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep clicking until it says at the bottom that there is no need because you are already a developer. Go ahead and hit back on your remote. Developer options should now be enabled for you. Open this up, and if you have an older device, look for Install Unknown Apps. You will need to turn this on for the Downloader app later. On newer sticks, you will have to do it for each individual app. I am going to press the home button and go to the magnifying glass. Scroll down to search and we are going to type in the letter D. The Downloader app should pop up as the first suggestion. Go ahead and click that. This is the app we are looking for right here. Make sure you download this specific one. Go ahead and click it to begin. To be sure you have the right one, check that the developer is atvnews.com. Go ahead and click download. We are just going to give it a moment to finish. Once it is done, go ahead and click open app. Press OK on this screen. Then we are going to scroll up to the URL bar. We are going to type in this code, 68533793. Pause the video if you need to make sure the numbers look exactly like this. Now go ahead and click the Go button. Give it a few seconds to redirect us to the site. It should automatically start the download process. There we go. Now we need to handle the unknown apps permission I mentioned earlier. You will have to go to your settings again. Go to Install Unknown Apps. Right here for Downloader, we are going to turn this to On. Now that it is turned on, press back twice to return to the app. We will open up the app one more time. Since we already downloaded the file, it will be in our Files section. Scroll left and then up to Files and then scroll right. You can see the OnStream APK that we just downloaded right here. Go ahead and click that. It will bring us to this screen and we will click Install. Now that it is installed, just go ahead and click Done. We need to go back quickly and delete that installation file. Scroll right again to highlight the APK file. Press the 3 lines on your remote to bring up the options. Select Delete and then confirm the deletion. Now we have no unnecessary files taking up space on your device. You can now press the Home button on your remote. Scroll over to the 3 squares and the plus sign to see your apps. Right here with the little lightning bolt is the OnStream app. Before we use OnStream, I highly recommend using a VPN. It is very important to keep your data and privacy safe while using these apps. Using a VPN helps you avoid any potential issues with your internet service provider. Your provider can see what you are doing and what you are streaming while you are online. They have the power to limit your connection or even stop your service. So, it is highly recommended to protect yourself. A VPN allows you to browse and watch whatever you want safely. It is definitely worth it to use one when you are using these types of services. Everyone will tell you that a VPN is a smart investment for streaming. Now let's get back to the app. Once your protection is active, go back over to your apps list. Click on OnStream to open it. From here, you can sign in with an email address. I recommend signing in, but you do not have to. You can simply click the option to start watching thousands of movies and shows. I recommend creating an account because it allows you to save your progress. This way you can continue watching a series exactly where you left off. Otherwise, you will have to search for your show every single time. You can even use a secondary email if you prefer. It is very simple to get started. Everything you could possibly want is available here from all the major networks. You can find content from all the popular streaming platforms and even movies currently in theaters. It is all available for free in this one place. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to Tech Vibes. I am happy to share these tips with you. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Share this with a friend so we can all help each other out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.